Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to test this EFHW antenna, EFHW half-wave and Sigu G90 radio. I'm gonna make some modifications, just change this small capacitor for 3 kilovolts. I'm gonna use the capacitor 100 picofarads, the same. I think the capacitor is really good for such type of transformer and EFHW half-wave antenna. In the end, we replaced this tiny capacitor with the big solid one. The antenna is deployed. Right here you can see my setup. I have the antenna in the resonance on 20 meters band. Antenna works on 10 meters. Let's turn on the radio.
Thank you for the contact. You have a long. Thank you, sir. QR set Papa India 4 so hold select.
That's really nice. In the summer, go outside using the portable radio and use the EFHW half-wave simple antenna to having QSOs around the world. Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.
Portable station.
Radio 3 Kilowatt Delta Whiskey Portable.
Radio 3 kilowatt Delta Whiskey Portable. Good day to you. You are 5757 over.
Good afternoon, my name is Oleg, your signal 5759, between that good signal QSL.
QSL, thank you very much for 5759. All the best to you, have a great day, 73 and bye bye. This is Sierra Echo 6.
It's windy outside and one of the branch was broken and my antenna fell down and I put it again, but not much higher than before. Let's test the antenna. Finally I have to check the antenna again, but nothing changed. All works pretty good. Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable. Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.
Romeo 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.
Yes, this is correct.
Okay, Romeo 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable. Good morning, 59.
Yes, good morning. Your signal 5959. My name is Oleg. I'm from Voronezh, central part of Russia. QSL.
QSL Roman, thank you very much. До свидания, спасибо.
Thank you so much. 73. Bye.
Thank you. CQ10 Echo Hotel 5 Lima Hotel. Follow the station Lighthouse CQ10.